Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 714 and today's lecture is the medicinal importance and health benefits of kokum oil, and also it is commonly known as kokum butter. The kokum plant is cultivated in tropical countries, and in India it is cultivated in Maharashtra and Gujarat states, southeast Indian states, and it is tiny, small, dark pink in color, and it looks like cherry. And this fruit is very popular in Maharashtra and Gujarat state of India because it is widely used to prepare different type of juice, and also it is used the whole plant itself, including this pulp, which is dehydrated in their spices because it is having sweet sour taste, and because of its very typical spicy taste, it is also used in place of spice. And kokum butter juice is very popular, and especially in summer it is served in Maharashtra and Gujarat area as a drink because it is having very good cooling effect to the digestive system, and it is good for digestive system also. And this kokum butter is just like we can say waxy type solid or semi-solid, and once it is dry, it is used as a sharbat by dilution. That is called kokum butter sharbat. Sharbat means it is juice in that area, and also it is having lot of medicinal importance apart from health benefits because it is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, anthocyanin, flavonoids, and also manganese, potassium, calcium, minerals. So overall it is very rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytochemicals, and that's why it is used, especially if someone is suffering from skin problem or skin or feet cracking, deep cracking, it is applied there. And also when somebody is having some inflammation, it is also applied and massage is done with this so that it is recovered. And also it helps in stomach disorder, and a lot of other medicinal uses are there for different type of purposes. And this waxy material is very important from antibacterial, antifungal point of view because it also acts as antifungal and antibacterial, and it is widely used in cold season to massage and to apply to the dry skin because it is a very good moisturizer also. So it has lot of medicinal importance. And today's lecture is the last lecture on plant source oil, that is fixed oil or mixture of triglycerides of fatty acids. So after this lecture I will switch over to some animal oil, and that I will be discussing later on. And here let me summarize, when we are talking of the vegetable oil or cooking oil from the plant sources, it is very simple. You should understand that all these are the glycerides of fatty acids, or we can say ester of fatty acids, and these fatty acids can be long chain, short chain or medium chain carbon. They can be unsaturated, monounsaturated, and also their smoke point may be up to 550 degree Fahrenheit. It can be very low, 300 degree Fahrenheit. So the quality of all these vegetable oils nowadays with this latest research is determined by its smoke point, its burning point, its content of poly and monounsaturated fatty acids, and also omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. So these are all phytochemicals and conditions are going to determine the quality of oil, not that just like cholesterol free. So I'm going to discuss more about the kokum butter. So the medicinal importance and health benefits of kokum oil, and it is also commonly known as kokum butter, and its botanical name is Garcinia purpurea, and it belongs to Guttaceae family. Number one, kokum oil or kokum butter is the fat obtained by expression from the seeds of the fruit kokum, and the tree grows in western India and some tropical countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Fruits are collected and dried, and seeds are separated. The dried pericarp is known as kokum. Pericarp means inside the pulp. Once you remove that inside pulp, that is called pericarp, and that pericarp, once it is dehydrated, it is known as kokum. And kokum is very common name in Maharashtra and Gujarat in India. Just like some semi-solid material is sold to prepare for sharbat, juice, or in the food to develop the sour taste. That is called kokum. Its taste is sweet, sweet with some sour tinge. And kokum fruits is tiny round in shape and dark purple, just like cherry. Seeds contain 30% fat, and it is solid, wax-like, yellow in color, melting at 41 degrees centigrade temperature. Number 2, kokum butter, or we can say kokum oil, consists of glycerides of stearic acid, myristic acid, and oleic acid. It is used in Phasis pulmonis. Phasis pulmonis means it is a type of pulmonary tuberculosis, and that particular tuberculosis is called Phasis pulmonis, and it is used in the ulcerations, fissures. Fissures means long narrow crack of lips. That is the medical name is fissures, and hands and in wounds. Sore accompanied with inflammation is also treated, and it is used as an ointment base. In Europe, it is used as a pomade. Actually, this kokum butter is used for lot of hair and skin health to maintain. For skin, it is very good moisturizer, very good anti-inflammatory, very good antioxidant, and once it is applied on skin, your crack and all those dryness will be taken care. Number 3, kokum butter has powerful moisturizing properties and won't clog skin pores. Once it is applied on skin, it is not going to clog the pores of the skin. That is very interesting for this, and it is frequently used to treat variety of skin issues including acne, dry skin and scalp of hair. So next one, number 4, kokum butter, or we can call it kokum oil, can be either eaten raw. You can eat it raw because it is just like you can say like a wax, and solid means brittle and soft, gummy type of mass. So it can be eaten, and it is having combined taste of sweet and sour. So it is we can say it's having very good taste, and also can be drunk in the form of juice. Actually, this kokum is either is diluted in with water, and then the juice is prepared. So it is very good juice in Maharashtra and Gujarat during summer season to have cooling effect. And sun-dried kokum is often used as a souring agent or as additive in food. So sometimes they dry it, the whole fruit itself, and it is widely used as a souring agent or additive in the food. It can prevent cancer and also can protect brain health, since it is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. So it can drastically reduce the oxidative stress, it can damage the free radicals, and in this way it will be helpful in cancer. It will not allow the formation of abnormal cancer cell, and also it will not allow the damage of brain cells because of the free radicals. So that's why it is good for those people who have the tendency of immune system, cancer cell, or with brain problem. It is widely used in Maharashtra and Gujarat states of India to make samsas very fine juice that is called kokum sarbat. Kokum sarbat is very popular there, and that is in the form of juice, and they like it in summer. Number 5, kokum butter is good for digestive system. It has amazing cooling properties and is great to have in summer. Actually, they have this experience, and of course they are drinking, so they know better. They prefer kokum juice during summer in Gujarat and Maharashtra because it has amazing, one of the best cooling effect in summer. Maybe the reason is it is rich, it is just like a butter type, and also not butter, this wax type, semi-solid material, and it is rich in vitamin C, and it has sweet mixed with sour taste. So it is very tasty also, and also its color is very good, that is dark pink color. So all the properties are there to make you to feel cool once you take the juice that is kokum sarbat. Number 5, kokum butter is good for digestive system, and it has amazing cooling properties and is great to have in summer. Kokum butter controls cholesterol. It can reduce the bad cholesterol, that is LDL, low density lipoprotein, and helps in weight loss. Also, they have the experience that once you are drinking the juice of kokum butter or kokum fruit, your obesity will be reduced, because once you drink this juice, you will feel full and you will not be having appetite, so you cannot take more food. So that's why once you are drinking it regularly, it can reduce your weight, and indirectly it can reduce your obesity. And kokum plant is also used as a medicine and spice. The whole plant they are using as a spice to mix with their food, and also as a medicine. Recent studies say that kokum spice is effective to suppress appetite. So that's why this spice, the plant powder and leaf powder, they are mixing with their food preparation, so that once you are eating your food, you will feel full and you will not go for extra eating, and it will suppress your appetite. So in other way, those people who are obese or who are having extra fat, it is beneficial for them, that it will help to lose the weight. Number 6, it has antifungal, antioxidant properties, and it is rich in vitamins B, C, and the minerals manganese, potassium, and magnesium. Kokum oil is great for pregnant women. This butter, kokum butter, is also good for women who are pregnant, because it helps in the development of infant. So it is also given in, it's very common in Maharashtra and Gujarat. If the woman is pregnant, they will give this kokum butter, because it will help in the development of baby. And it has anti-aging property also, means if you are taking it, since it is rich in vitamin C and B complex, definitely it will not allow premature aging, and your skin will be glowing and smooth. And I have already told you that this is one of the best moisturizing agent. So it will also protect you from aging. So with this I will stop, and I have already delivered more than dozens of lectures on cooking oil, or we can call it vegetable oil, and their all properties, their quality, quantitatively, qualitatively, and which one is best, on what basis, all phytochemistry, all physical and chemical conditions, properties I have discussed in detail. So please watch all my lectures, so that it will make you very clear to understand the quality of your vegetable oil, so that you can use the best one for cooking purpose. So with this I will stop, and in my next lecture I am going to discuss that is animal oil, because this is plant-based oil, and the other is animal oil. They are also important for us. So thank you very much once again for watching the lecture.